What's up, everybody? This is your buddy London Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. You're gonna see a lot of these lately. This shit from Tallahassee, Florida. Oh, I wish I was in Tallahassee right now. And this shipped all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So this is an AMC Movie Theater lot. They gave me a receipt. I was just looking at it. How adorable is this little itty bitty envelope? That's so cute. So this, look at this little envelope, or this little baggie. So what this is two $25 AMC gift cards that I got for $19 each. I wish it was $9 each. So I saved $6 on each of these AMC gift cards. So that's $12 total in this. So for $38, I got $50 in credit to the movie theater. I know what you're saying. That's amazing. You're incredible. I agree. No, I'm just kidding. But so I love movies. I love going to the movie theater. My AMC is opening a week from today. So I am planning on going to see tons and tons of movies. Whether they're classics or brand new movies, I just love movies and I love going to the theater. I can't wait to get popcorn, jalapenos, butter, and just enjoy a movie. So I try and save when I can. You know, movie theaters are a luxury. Why not save when you can? So that's why I buy gift cards at a discount and use it, and it helps even things out. What's a movie you're looking forward to seeing? Are you planning on going back to the movie theater anytime soon? I will wear a mask, and I will only take it down when I am consuming mass quantities. If you like cool t-shirts, you want to help support my channel, you can go to sites like riptapparel.com, that's RIPT apparel.com, or where I got this shirt, onceuponat.net. That's onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice. You're going to save a couple bucks on each and every shirt if you use my promo code London Hawthorne. That's London Hawthorne is your coupon code. Another thing you can do is just cash at me at London Hawthorne if you want to help just support my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Let me know what some movies you'd recommend, and I wish you the best. Have a good one.